Hello students. In the previous video, you have learned about fractions, its multiplication and division of fractions. Now, in this video, you are going to learn about decimals, multiplication of decimals as well as division of decimals. What is a decimal? A decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and the fractional part is separated by a decimal point. The dot in a decimal number is called a decimal point. The digits following the decimal point show a value smaller than 1. That means fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000 and so on are known as decimals. A decimal consists of two parts, the whole number part and the decimal part, separated by the decimal point. Let's see an example 17.48. So 17 is a whole number, 4 is at the 10th place and 8 is at the 100th place. So it will be read as 17.48. Let's start with the multiplication of decimals. We have already learned the multiplication of whole numbers and natural numbers. Now we shall learn multiplication of decimal fractions. Multiplying decimals. To multiply decimals, first of all we have to multiply as if there is no decimal. Then count the number of digits after the decimal in each factor. Then finally put the same number of digits behind the decimal in the product. Let us understand with the help of an example. 3.77 multiplied by 2.8. As you can see here, 0.77, that means 2 decimal places, and 0.8, there is only 1 decimal place. So first of all, we will multiply 377 with 28. So we are getting 3016 when multiplied with 8. Then we will get 754 when multiplied with 2. So when we add these numbers, we are getting 10,556. As there are total 3 decimal places, 2 plus 1, 3. So we are going to put decimal from the right hand side to the after the 3 decimals, that is 10.556. So in this way you are going to multiply the decimal numbers. Multiplication of a decimal by 10, 100, 1000. When the multiplier is 10, 100 or 1000, we move the decimal point to the right by as many places as number of zeros after 1 in the multiplier. Let's see an example. 8.597 multiplied with 10. Here we are going to move the decimal after 5. Why? Because in 10 only 1 zero is mentioned. So we are going to move the decimal after 5. That will become 85.97. In the same way, when we will multiply it with 100, so we are going to move the decimal to 2 places, that it will become 859.7. In the same way, when we will multiply it with 1000, we are going to move the decimal 3 places, as 3 zeros are there. So it will become 8597.0. So in this way, we are going to multiply the decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. Now our next topic is dividing decimals. Division of a decimal by a whole number. To divide a decimal number by a whole number, the division is performed in the same way as in the whole numbers. We first divide the two numbers ignoring the decimal point and then place the decimal point in the quotient in the same position as in the dividend. Let's see an example. Divide 24.66 with 12. So 12 twos are 24. The remainder will become 0. So now we will write 6. Now 6 can't be divided with 12. So we'll write 0 on the quotient. Then we'll again write 6. So 12 5s are 60. We get the remainder as 6. As decimal is already placed over there, so we'll write 0 over here. So 12 5s are 60 again. So we are getting the answer as 2.05. In this way, we are going to divide a decimal by a whole number. Dividing decimal by a decimal. To divide a decimal number by a decimal number, multiply the divisor by as many tens as necessary until we get a whole number, and remember that to multiply the dividend by the same number of tens. For example, 1313.8 divided with 0.6. So it will become 138 divided by 6. So when we'll divide this, we are getting 23. Let's see an example. Dividing decimal by a decimal. So here we are going to divide 3.64 with 1.4. So 1.4 is a divisor and 3.64 is a dividend. 1.4, make the divisor a whole number by moving the decimal point. Now in the dividend, move the decimal point in the dividend the same number of places. So we get 14 divided with 36.4. Now in the third step, we are going to divide this. 14 twos are 28. So we get the remainder as 8. Now we'll write 4. 14 6 are 84. So we will get the quotient as 2.6. Now we will line up the decimal point in the quotient with decimal point in the dividend. So the answer will be 2.6. So in this way, we are going to divide a decimal with a decimal. Division of a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000. Division of a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000 can be performed by moving the decimal point to the left by as many places as the number of zeros in the divisor. For example, 752.3 divided with 10. Here in 10 only one zero is there, so we will move the decimal to the left hand side, one place only. It will become 75.23. Same in case of 100 also. When we divide this number with 100, what happen? We'll move the decimal to two places. So it will become 7.523. In the same way, when we divide it with 1000, we will move the decimal point to the left by 3 places. So we will get 0.7523. So in this way, we are going to divide a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000. Now from this video, I hope you have understood how to divide and multiply a decimal number. Practice some questions. Thank you.